Dear students, welcome to my math class. This is Muhammad Abul Hussain. We were discussing about differentiation. This is our new class. Previously we discussed about differentiation and we discussed about the value of dy by dx. That is, dy by dx is referred as dy by dx. This is referred as the gradient of a graph or curve, gradient of a curve. So when we differentiate any graph or any curve or any equation, then we get the gradient of tangent of the curve at certain point. Today we'll discuss a new question here. Suppose it is given that find the gradient of the curve that is given by y is equals to 2 root over x plus 1 at the point where sorry, my device is having some problem, so it will be where x is equals to 16. So my device is having some problem, so this is x is equals to 16. So we have to find out the gradient. Of the curve. What curve? That is given by y equals to 2 root over x plus 1. The gradient at the point where x is equals to 16. So to find the gradient, this is the gradient. So at first we have to differentiate the equation with respect to x. So then we will get the gradient, that is dy by dx. That's why we will differentiate. First we will differentiate the equation. Here it is solution, that is, it is given that y is equals to 2 root over x plus 1. So to find out the gradient, that is dy by dx, we will differentiate both sides of the equation with respect to x. So it will be d dx of y, that is equals to d dx of 2 root over x plus 1. So from here we will find that dy by dx, this is equals to differentiate of 2 root over x. This 2 is the coefficient of root over x, so this is 2 into root over x means what? Root over x, that means x to the power half. So if we differentiate x to the power half, the power will come up at the beginning, and the power of x will be reduced by 1, and the differentiation on, that is constant, differentiation of constant is equals to 0. Therefore this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled here, so we will get dy by dx, that is equals to x to the power half minus 1, that is minus half. That means dy by dx is equals to 1 by x to the power half. So this is our gradient, that is dy by value of dy by dx is equals to 1 by x to the power half. So the question was find the gradient at the point where x is equals to 16. So we will write down that at x equals to 16, the value of the gradient, or the gradient dy by dx, this will be 1 by x to the power half, that means root over x, and this will be 1 by root over x, means here this 16, so this is 16. So from here we will find that dy by dx, that is equals to 1 by root over 16 is equals to 4. So the value of dy by dx is equals to 1 by 4 here. This was the required question, and the question was that find the gradient. Here is the question: find the gradient of the curve at the point at the curve find the gradient of the curve y equals to 2 root over x plus 1 at the point where x is equals to 16. So first of all we found the value of dy by dx, that is 1 by root over x here. Then at point x equals to 16, value of dy by dx is equals to 1 by root over 16, and finally gradient or dy by dx is equals to 1 by 4. This is the final answer. I think you have understood it. Thank you very much.